What's up, everybody? It's me again, and I'm bringing to you something special. It was originally created for astronauts to take up into outer space. Yeah, what is it? Well, follow me to find out more. Come on. Welcome back, everyone. So, first into the pot, we've got 50 grams pure cane sugar plus 40 grams gelatin, along with 114 grams of our flavoring powder. And I'm going to tell you what this is in just a second, right now. And what's that flavor going to be? This right here, Tang. That's right, we're going to outer space. So let's go. Let's give that a nice little stir. All right, next in, 225 grams of corn syrup. It's a pretty cold May day today, so this stuff is kind of solidified on its own. 223, I'm gonna call it good. All right, next in, 125 grams applesauce. Now let's give this a good stir. Let's give it a quick little taste. That's Tang, baby. All right, we're gonna let it sit for that 7 to 10 minutes to allow that gelatin to bloom, and then we'll put it over on the heat. See you soon. We will also be using 1 level tablespoon scoop of lecithin granules with 2 ounces of liquid coconut oil, give it a nice swirl, helps those break up a little easier and dissolve a little quicker. We're going to use 5 grams of cream of tartar with 3 pinches of malic acid. 1, 2, 3. So a couple weeks ago, we went on vacation for a week, and then that was great. You know, vacations usually are. Didn't last long enough. You know how it goes. We got home. 2 days later, the kids brought home a stomach flu from school. Yay! And one by one, it just kept knocking us all down. However, before I went to vacation, I like to do a deep clean of the house, so when we come back, it's fresh. Don't have to worry about anything. Well, I hid my camera card from me, and it has 6 videos in various stages of editing. I still can't find it, and it's been 3 weeks. So I'm kind of starting over from this point right now, and yeah, hopefully I find it. Anyway, just letting y'all know. Now back to the video. Let's go. All right. We've got the pot here on top of the little stove top. Right there, you see how thick that is? We are going to let that come a little looser. So we're going to warm it up for a few more minutes, and then we'll add the oil. Alright, we just added the oil. Forgot to record that was coming up. So anyway, you saw it as a slow-mo. So as usual, we're going to stir this for the next 5-7 minutes or so, give or take, until that oil is fully incorporated with the batch. I won't film all of that. Then, once that's done, we'll allow this to come to a low simmering boil, and that's when we add the acids. I'll make sure to tell you when we do that though. Alright. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we've reached that little roll and simmer and boil, so I'm going to grab the acids and add them. But first, that's right, slow-mo. Alright, we're going to continue stirring this for 2 to 3 minutes to allow all that excess water to evaporate off, and then it's time to pour. So I'll continue this, and I'll see you over there. Toodles! Now, if you wanted to make this a little simpler, you can use a 3-ounce orange box gelatin and take away 7 grams of your regular gelatin, and then bring the Tang down to 100 grams. That's something else. I'll tell you what, super simple. Here we go. And that's all she wrote. I'll see you when it's time to sand them. Bye!
Let them sit in the mold too long. You have to bust out the knife.
And there you have it, Tang flavored gummies. And they taste just like Tang. With every bite, it's like you're taking a sip from a glass freshly stirred or whatever. No, this ain't James Bond. I ain't 007. And neither are you. Or are you? If so, what's up? Anyway, it's a real fun one. It can get out of hand. You got to be careful with how much of the Tang you use because of the citric acid. So allow these to sit in the molds for about 24 hours. I let mine go a little longer, as you can see when I was unmolding them. But whatever. Anyway, if you make these and you have some issues, you know what to do. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye.